This guys quadratics. Now these are the equations we can change to quadratic then solve. So let's have this example 1. So we got this equation 4 to the power 2x minus 10 times 4 to the power x plus 16 equal to 0. So we can write this as 4 x, then we put square, it's the same thing. Now we can see this looks like quadratic equation. So what we do, we let y equal to 4 to the power x, so that means y squared is 4 to the power 2x, or 4x squared. So now we rewrite this equation here. So that part is basically y squared, then we have a 10y plus 16 equal to 0. So we can factorize this. So factors of 16 add up to minus 10 are minus 2 and minus 8. So we get a solution y equal to 2 or y equal to 8. But y is basically 4 to the power x. So this equation we can write as 2 to the power 2x, and this side is 2 to the power 1. Here we can write 2 to the power 2x, 8 is 2 to the power 3. Now we just equate the indices and we ignore the base. So we have x, 2x equal to 1 means x is going to be equal to half. Here 2x equal to 3 means x equal to 3 over 2. Now here, this time we can let y equal to x to the power 1/3. That means y squared is x to the power 2/3. So this equation becomes 3y squared plus y minus 2 equal to 0. So we can factorize this. So we have plus 1 here and minus 2 here. Minus 2y plus 3y is 1y, so it's correct. So we get two solution, y equal to 2/3 or y equal to minus 1. So this means x to the power 1/3 equal to 2/3 or x to the power 1/3 equal to minus 1. Now we take the cube of both sides. So we will have x equal to 8 over 27 or x equal to minus 1. Example 3. So we can cross multiply. So that would give you x times x minus 1 equal to 3, x plus 2 go to the other side. So now we open the brackets and we can take everything to the left hand side. So we got x squared minus x, then minus 3x. Now we cannot factorize this, so we can complete the square for this. So what we do, this is x minus 4 all squared, then minus 16. So do it again. Half of 4 is 2, So it's going to be x minus 2 squared minus 4 minus x equal to 0. That means x minus 2 squared equal to 10. Take the square root. So it's plus or minus root 10. So therefore we have a x equal to 2 plus or minus root 10. Example 4. So we multiply every term by square root of x. So we're going to get x minus 4 equal to 3 times root x. So we have x minus 3 root x minus 4 equal to 0. So now we let y equal to root x, which means y squared is equal to x. So now we write this equation in y squared minus 3y minus 4 equal to 0. We can factorize this equation. So it's y minus 4 and bracket then y plus 1. So two solutions, y equal to 4 or y equal to 1. Then we replace y with x, so it's root x equal to 4 or root x. This is minus 1 here, so equal to minus 1. Take the square, so this means x is equal to 16. But this one, square root x equal to minus 1 is not possible. We can't have a square root equal to minus number. So we only have one solution, x equal to 16.